Okay, so in this video, how you can remove your Gmail profile picture. Alright, so I'm gonna remove my profile picture, so this smiley. When I remove this, we will have the letter A, because my Google account name is Andreas, so you will get the first letter of your name. So to do this, just make sure to log into your Gmail account, go up to the top right corner, click on your profile image. Go down and click on Manage your Google account. Now go to the left sidebar, click on Personal Info. And under Personal Info, we're gonna go all the way down to this one. Choose what others see. Click on Go to About Me. Under Basic Info, we see Profile Picture. Click on this arrow. And here we can see the profile picture. Now we have the option to change it or click on Remove. So we're gonna choose to remove this Gmail profile picture. So just click on this button, Remove. Like that, just update your browser. And now we have removed our Gmail profile picture. You can also go to your Gmail inbox, click on Update, and same thing right here. So in my case, I have the letter A with a green background. Okay everyone, so if this helped you out, please subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. You can also comment below if you have any questions. Okay everyone, so I hope this video solved your problem. Don't miss out on my latest video right here. Just click on this image. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.